Welcome to the Arctic world of SeaWorld Orlando. Here, where the ice cracks and the cold crackles, one of Florida's most thrilling roller coasters awaits. The Icebreaker isn't just a coaster, it's an expedition into the icy wilderness. Dive into a fully immersive 360-degree experience. Move your smartphone to look around. For the ultimate 360 degrees immersion, use a VR headset. Icebreaker. In 360 degrees.
And get ready to break the ice.
What makes this roller coaster so special is its unique history. The opening was originally planned for 2020, but the pandemic put the project on ice. Many fans were eagerly awaiting the Icebreaker, making it a symbol of hope and a new beginning. The track we're on now was designed and built by the renowned manufacturer Premier Rides. It's the start of a journey that was nearly 2 years in the making, but the wait was well worth it.
Headbreaker statt Icebreaker. Die kann man die auch tun?
That was the front row experience. Did you feel the coaster accelerate to its top speed of 52 miles per hour, 84 kilometers per hour? The highlight is undoubtedly this 93-foot, 28-meter, tall and 100-degree steep spike, the steepest in all of Florida. Premier Rides' expertise is evident in the perfect combination of thrills and airtime moments. The feeling of racing backward up it before plunging back down is guaranteed to give you chills. Though often called a family coaster, it delivers plenty of adrenaline and surprises on its compact track of over 1,900 feet, 580 meters.
Jetzt bestimmt.
The journey gets gentler as we approach the end. While we slowly roll back to the station, it's the perfect time to reflect on the true story of the Icebreaker. Located next to the park's Wild Arctic exhibit, it's not just for thrills. It also aims to educate visitors about Arctic wildlife and raise awareness of SeaWorld's conservation efforts. It's a ride that's not just fun, but also conveys an important message. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos.
Welcome back. Please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar. Lift the